Hey guys, I'm Nisha Homi and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing a healthy and easy chapati noodles made with leftover khapli wheat rotis. Chapati noodles are a quick and healthy meal or snack option for kids. It can be easily made in just under 10 minutes and a perfect quick healthy lunchbox meal. Chapati noodles or roti noodles are a good alternative to instant noodles and easy to make with leftover rotis. This healthy roti noodles can also be enjoyed by the whole family. I usually make chapati noodles in the morning as a school lunchbox meal for my children. So let's get started with the recipe. I'm using 3 khapli wheat rotis. You can use fresh rotis or leftover rotis. For those who are new to khapli wheat, also known as emmer wheat, is an ancient wheat grain which has very less gluten and high in fiber when compared to modern processed wheat. Those with gluten issues can try this ancient wheat grain. Since khapli wheat is high in fiber, they are an excellent option for children as the fiber will help to keep them fuller for a longer time. Khapli wheat can be enjoyed by the whole family. I have already made a detailed video along with the health benefits of khapli wheat. Do check the video to understand more. Links will be updated below this video. So I have sliced the rotis into small strips and our healthy homemade wheat noodles are ready. Now to make the noodles, you can include seasonal vegetables of your choice, especially if you are making for children. Today I am using 3 small carrots, 4 to 5 garlic cloves, 5 shallots for that extra antioxidants, iron and folate. You can also use 1/4 of an onion instead. 2 green chilies or as per your taste, half of a capsicum, 2 sprigs of green onions. I'll be using the white part to season the noodles and the green part to garnish. I have sliced all the ingredients lengthwise. Heat a cast iron kadai or a wok, add in 1.5 tablespoon of wood pressed coconut oil, or you can use virgin coconut oil. Wood pressed coconut oil and virgin coconut oil has a very neutral taste and flavor. Now once the oil is added, sprinkle the pan so that the oil is nicely coated all over the kadai. Once the oil is heated, add in the sliced garlic and allow it to get light golden brown so that the oil gets a nice garlicky flavor. Add in the shallots and chopped spring onions and quickly stir well. Remember, the flame is on high and cast iron pans retains more heat. So cooking is more faster in a cast iron pan. Plus it helps in better iron absorption. So if you have iron deficiency anemia, try to cook at least one of your meal in a cast iron cookware. Once the shallots and spring onions are transparent, add in the slit green chilies and the sliced carrots. Mix well and stir fry well. Add in half teaspoon pink Himalayan salt. Remember there is salt in the roti, so add salt accordingly. Once the carrots are 3/4 cooked, add in the sliced khapli wheat rotis and stir well on low flame. Quickly grind some black pepper and keep it aside. Meanwhile, the roti is lightly roasted after about a minute of sauteing. Add in the sliced capsicum, again stir well. Add in 1 teaspoon coconut aminos, which is a healthier alternative to soy sauce. Give it a quick stir and then turn off the flame. The cast iron kadai will retain heat even after the flame is turned off. For vinegar, you can use apple cider vinegar which has the mother, or you can use homemade coconut vinegar. I'm adding in 1.5 teaspoon coconut vinegar and stir well. Add in 1 teaspoon freshly ground black pepper powder and mix well. Lastly, sprinkle in the chopped green spring onion and serve the healthy chapati noodles to a bowl. So guys, do try these healthy chapati noodles and let me know how it turned out. Don't forget to like, comment and share this video with family and friends. Thank you for watching and until next time, take care. Bye-bye.